Oi. Pushing you. We're not pushing you. Please, just cooperate. Mheshimiwa, I must sit here.
You must sit here?
Yes.
You don't spoil my jacket. I have to remove it.
I won't.
Excuse me. Let me stand up, remove it, and I sit in the middle.
You want us to go to NCAC? Yes. I will be in my car. I will follow you. Yes. Okay? With that. You want me to join your car?
You know, I came out. Mimi? Yeah. Let me tell you.
There's no problem.
A coward dies 1,000 lives. A soldier dies but once. And I'm ready.
Please. Please. Total crap.
20. This is a message to the Maasai nation that today I was arrested by CID officers from the NCAC. I'm in this lovely prison. You can see it here. And I just want to say that I'm involved in a quest for truth and justice. And no amount of intimidation is going to deter me. I will pursue justice for the rest of my life. That's the kind of liberty that I want to defend. That's why I can stand firmly and say I am proud to be one of them.